Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Don't take anything personally. Transform your life. When you refuse to take things personally, you feel you avoid many upsets in your life. Your feeling of anger, jealousy, and even sadness will simply disappear if you don't take them personally. That's a good card for all of us, especially now, folks. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. Dow Industrial's down 6, Nasdaq off 6, S&P's up $1.50. Gold contract up $9.80, trading at $12.18 an ounce. Silver up 3 cents at $17.48 an ounce. Platinum up $1. 1,000 even. Light sweet crude down 16 cents, $53.76 a barrel. Notes, 10-year note flat, 124.10. 30-year up 1 tick, 150.15. King dollar up 172 ticks, trading at 99.780. The euro is at 106, and the yen is trading at 112.74. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world? In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have out here? You got a SPY that goes sideways, can't handle higher price. Did 67 million shares. Bottom line, this looks like we got a jobs number tomorrow. I expect this is going to try to make it on the way down where they had a high volume swing low on Monday, 226.41. Dow Industrial, same setup in the Dow. The Dow actually gave a little bit more information out that, sideways, down $6. That's a sideways move. No volume inside the move. This also wants to run into the 19,677 area. Now, that's the swing low from the 19th of January. The Nasdaq Composite, first the Composite. So the Composite went sideways also, down $6, 56.36. Bottom line, couldn't get into its high. If we look at the NDX 100, this was a failure on price, on volume, and then, we'll get into Amazon for a second. Amazon's tanking right now. So what you had with the Qs is this. The Qs did 14 million shares. Your 14 million was going into the 25 million from the downdraft on the 30th. You failed on volume, failed on price. The Qs closed at 125.32. They are trading right now at 125.08. If we go over to Amazon, take a look at Amazon. Amazon closed at 8.40. That's trading at 8.09 right now. Bottom line is that we'll go through the numbers, at the first section, but that equity is going to continue getting to lower prices. It's been bouncing around the 8.02 to 8.19 area. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold contract out here, folks, traded up to a price point today of $12.27. We're at $12.18 right now. Now you have volume behind this move. You gave it up $10. You gave up $10. That's pretty intense, in itself. Your higher swing point is the 12.23. Bottom line, my take is that gold is going to make a way up to the 12.58 to 1,300 area. So, we got to make it by. If you're a gold bull, folks, we got to make it by the jobs numbers tomorrow. That's the bottom line. Silver, same setup in silver. What you have with silver? Well, actually, silver's a better setup. Silver. When I say a better setup, it really has. It's given more information out. Silver launched higher once again on Tuesday, has the volume behind the move. Silver looks to me like, it's an ABC structure on the way up to $18 and change. I suspect silver's going to make this run to the $19.10 area. That is the last swing high that was up there. Now, notes and bonds. This is where it gets dicey again, man, okay? When I say dicey, I'm just explaining that they really didn't give great signals out here today. And it's a yin and the yang, and it's a toss-up, and this is why. My take, number one, is we're going higher, but I just want to show you technically what the difference is. So the difference is that the reason I'm saying that they want to go higher is this. On Tuesday, you got to a price point of 124 21. You had the volume behind the move going higher. Yesterday, you come down and rejected lower price with lighter volume. Now, that's saying you're building costs to go to higher price. Today, what we did is that we got into that high from Wednesday. It didn't have as much volume, and it pulled back a bit. Now, it certainly didn't, get into the negative, and it didn't, pull back a huge amount. But it's like, oh, man, okay, so what are you doing? Well, we're going to know pretty soon. The 30-year bond did the exact same deal, meaning, it got to a price point today of 151.15. It closed at 150.16. You did 259,000 contracts. Now, let's get into the dollar index, because what you have is this. The dollar index, and this is where the correlation comes as to me, as to where gold is going and where silver is going, the metals are going, and it's the correlation inside the dollar index, and this is what it is. The dollar index is in a confirmed ABC structure on the way down. This is as a beauty. I mean, it took out the B point, took it out with vengeance. We're at 99,795. That index, the ABC structure down is 96,965. That being said, if we go look at intraday out here, what the dollar index did intraday is that what it did in this counter trend bounce, it went up to the downdraft from yesterday with dramatically lighter volume. So that's telling me that's only a counter trend bounce. It can't make it by the price point of 99.975. That's saying the jobs number tomorrow, whatever is inside that jobs number, that's telling me that what you're going to see is that you're going to see metals higher, you're going to see bonds higher, we're going to see the dollar lower. We go over to Amazon. We take a look at Amazon out here. Amazon closed at a price point of 840. You're trading at 805 right now. And, of course, what that did is that brought the Nasdaq futures down, which we were talking about. That brought them down pretty good. Yeah, we brought that when we started out here, NQH7. You're going to see the NQ futures. They went from a price point, and this is where it's always cool when you they went from price point of 51.45, and we're at 51.30. It's 15 points. If you haven't test drove the Nadex platform, folks, great time to do it. Come over to our website at TFNN, hit the Nadex platform, bring it up. They'll put $25,000 of paper money into your account. You can see how these defined option contracts trade. We're going to be right back.